Hey guys, so it's me Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making art books, looks and maybe trading if I can with people. So let's get to it. I'm weird. Let's start off with Movie Time. First thing we're going to, of course, make a look. I love doing my looks, even though I don't really do them anymore. The pajamas. See, that was like about 3 months ago. This, and this was actually relevantly right. That was like new. I made that about 3 weeks ago. Even though I love making looks, I don't know why I haven't. Oh, and I'm going to give 2 very special shout outs in the end of the video. Two people. I'll be doing that in all my videos, giving them special shout outs, but I'll only be doing 2 at the end of each video. Okay. So I'm going to try to be active with videos. I have very crop hairs, guys, so I don't mind that. I like this one though. Still think I'm like we're on it. See, they don't go together. I kind of want to get a different one when I get VIP for a year. Emmy. Yes, guys, I was in the Scream team, so don't mind all that. No, honey, no. Yes. I'm sorry if you do not like any of this. I do, but it's lovely out. Comment down below if you're enjoying the weather, and if you're in a different part of the country to where I am. I'm very sorry if you're not getting the good weather. We're getting like 30 degrees now up here where I live. Actually, why am I wearing this scarf? I think I clicked that by accident. There's some cream on this, that'd be so weird. I absolutely hate these. I'm not doing a giveaway on it. Well, I love them, but they're so weird. Dumbly do. I love this, and I love you. Guys, I don't know about that top with this outfit. Oh, yeah. Wait, I could just wear this. Nah. Wait, I have another section of top. 2-1, but this. I love that. I'll just wear this. Summer. Oh, I cannot spell English, guys. Sound of summer. I have a top that says that. Gentle. Get an abundance time. I know I can't sing, guys. By the way, guys, I don't know if I already said this, but I do have a setup now. I'm getting a mic, so can't wait for that. I'm also getting a GoPro, I think. GoPro for vlogging. Can't wait for that. And I'm getting a mic, a golden one, I think. We've ordered them. They should be actually here very soon. I think the end of June it'll be here. Okay, guys, let's go into art book. Oh, Josephine. And guys, the reason why I'm not doing vlogs right now is because we're doing up all my house, like we're painting and all, and it's kind of a bit messy because we're getting a big skip to throw out some things, and I'm giving a few of my old toys and new toys and all to my niece and all. So like I'm not really doing that because I don't want to yet, but as soon as this house is done, very soon, before the 3rd of July, which is my birthday, we'll have new couches, new everything, my new room and all. We're not moving houses, we're just doing up the house, and then I'll be posting vlogs. I'll just be doing these videos for now, and maybe Roblox videos I might do one later on. Okay, so the art book I'm going to do, I'm going to put all my best friends in. Me, please. Her, Nicole, Bethany, Jade, definitely. Emma. Yes, guys, I do have a lot of best friends. But I've only one bestie, which is there. And then it'll be Emma, Nicole, Bethany, everyone. I actually can't pick. I don't know which one's Maya. So Maya, which one's you? I don't fucking know. I don't poopin' know. And I don't know. Think of that. Okay, she's not there. Cause I'm trying to look for my other. Oh wait, sorry, wrong person. This isn't the right one. It's her. She got a new account, Bethany. I gave her that hair, that top, and those bottoms. For my smell best friend. I think it's this girl. Yeah, this has to be her. Pretty sure it's her. Guys, just don't judge any of my friends, even because she's new to it. She only got a new account, so like don't judge her. Don't even judge her, she's new. Don't judge her, she's wearing rares. Don't judge her, she's wearing a few rares as well. Don't judge her, don't judge me, and don't judge anyone on this page right now, because I would just be mean, and I don't want to judge. Okay, so I'm gonna place myself a bit bigger here. Okay, I'm gonna place all my friends into a corner. Like hiding over there. By Jade over there, Bethany, Smile, Nicole, and Emma. I'm going to enlarge myself. Okay, that didn't quite work. Okay, guys, I know this is going to take a while, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so I just finished it. That's what it's going to be like. I can change colour. You know, my BFFs are here. Okay, there we go. No. Yeah, probably. No. Yes. Fancy. Actually, no, because it's too big, guys. I can't have it that way. It's a bit normal. Me and all my BFFs. Yes. Small it. Squash it. It's squirrel. On the water splat. Okay, guys, now I'm going to go ahead and get a cute backdrop of all of us. Daddy Monaco. Oh, that's beautiful. She told her. Okay, there we are. Okay, we're gonna say this. Me and all my me and all Alan are all my BFFs. Finally, I got that right. Scrap. Me daddy Monica. Ooh. I want the fame. They're all my BFFs, guys, so I'll name them out. Jade, Nicole, me, Grace, Emma, Bethany, and Samaya, but she's gone on holidays right now, apparently. Samaya, I missed you. Please, thanking you. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm being really rude. Why am I being so rude? Yeah, beat that big. Okie dokie, guys. So now I'm going to go on to the giveaway, peoples. So 3, 2, 1. You guys did see her. Okay, guys. So the person I'm giving a shout out to just called for me.
Hi.
The person that's with me right now is this person right here. So shout out to her. She gave my dream necklace.
I did.
Oh yeah, that's my dream necklace. Yeah, and next shout out goes to and the next shout out goes to my other best friend Jay, because she bought a bit of my wish list.
Well, cute Amy.
Yeah. This dress here and my heels. So guys, that's the 2 very special shout outs. Okay guys, so make sure to hit the big red subscribe button and that bell, and I will leave Nicole's channel down below. If I can, I'll try do links.
And I'm posting a lot of videos of squishies now, so I'm addicted to squishies.
That's not it.
It's not really.
Okay.
Sorry guys, you're just playing with time.
Yeah, and guys, so make sure to give it a big blue thumbs up.
Blue.
Thumbs up. And I'll just go show you Nicole's channel right now. Sorry guys, but her YouTube is not deciding to show up for me.
Guys, it does show up on iPad, trust me.
Yeah, it's just not showing up on my laptop right now. Yes, but that's her name anyway. Make sure to go subscribe. She only has 6 subscribers. Because she doesn't post, but she's going to be posting a lot of squishy videos.
I'm posting a lot of squishy videos because I have like a lot of squishies and I don't use them, so I'm going to start doing.
Okay, yeah, bye guys.